tucked away on the verdant north shore of Kauai, beyond the manicured gardens and opulent resorts of Princeville, lies a path, steep, narrow, and wonderfully unassuming. This, my friend, is the descent to Hideaways Beach.
You read all that?
No, I didn't read all that.
Basically, we could die if we go down this trail.
The trailhead is modest, almost shy.
We lived once.
But make no mistake, this path demands your attention. Each step down is both a challenge and a prayer.
Yeah, be
Whoa.
careful. I quit filming. Put the camera in. You don't need your hands.
Wow, they weren't kidding about this. What do you think?
What's that?
What do you
This is
think?
so gorgeous. Yeah, this is different than any place we've been.
But then the jungle parts, and there it is.
Oh, there's a guy on a surfboard out there. Beautiful. It's raining. This is how a lot of the showers up here are. They just come and go real quick.
Hideaways Beach. So named, perhaps, because it feels like a secret whispered by the island itself. You ask me, is it beautiful? Quite so. Almost more than I can say. And while it's true that there's much that I will take from this journey, it is safe to say that my heart remains.
Trying to stay.